Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to install a WordPress website on a subdomain on Bluehost. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Bluehost account, then go to the websites page and click on Add Website button. Make sure to select Install WordPress, click on Continue. Here, fill in your site title, for example, team blog. Then click on Continue. Here, fill in the subdomain you want to install your WordPress on. In my case, I will install it on blog.automation.fan. Click on Continue. Here, select if you want to add or buy any SEO tools. I will skip it for now. Same thing for this tool sets, e-commerce. Click on skip for now. And my WordPress is being installed. WordPress is installed. This site is using a temporary URL until this subdomain is pointed at Bluehost. If this is a new domain name, it may take a few hours to finish setting up. This means if your automation fan domain is added newly to Bluehost, this may take a few hours. If it was already added and working right, your domain will be pointed in a shorter time. Click on login into WordPress to see if your website is still using this temporary address. As you see, it was the case. Now I will go to check if my domain is if my WordPress website is created or if it started using my subdomain. Go to domains. As you see, pending site URL, DNS status pointed. The SSL certificate installation is still in progress. Let's give my new subdomain a visit. And as you see, my blog started using my subdomain. As you see, it is still in progress. To help with this SSL installation, you can log in to cPanel from the hosting page. Click on cPanel. Then you will be logged to the cPanel of Bluehost. Scroll down to domains or not domains to security and click on SSL TLS status. Let's check for my new subdomain. I think blog.automation. As you see, the SSL is installed. If I see a red icon here, just click on Run Auto SSL to manually check for addresses or subdomains without the SSL certificate and install it automatically for you. Now to log in to your WordPress dashboard, simply go back to your Bluehost account, then jump to the websites page, and here you will see your new subdomain, and next to it click on WordPress admin. Select this AI site creator, click on it. Tell them about your site type, personal. You can select between personal, business, and service. This is all not very important. Here, select your WordPress website language, your site title, for example, automation blog. Describe your site, my automation blog. Click on next. Do you have a logo would you like to use? No. Click on next. They are now building your site for you. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Pick your website design from this. Let's preview this. Save and publish. Personally, I don't like this long and very detailed, unnecessary details. And congrats, I am now inside my new WordPress website created on Subdomain. If your website still shows the temporary subdomain, just go scroll down to settings, click on general, and here in the WordPress address, fill in the subdomain you've just created. In my case, it's let's remember it, blog.automation.com. Copy, delete, paste the subdomain. Same thing for the site address, and click on save down below. They will ask you for your username and email address. If you don't know them, just go back to your Bluehost account, refresh this page, and click on WordPress admin. And now you are logged to your WordPress dashboard on your subdomain. This is your username, and for the password, just go to users, click on it, and you will see the username, the email address of your account. You can create another username or admin and set it as the administrator. And to edit the password of this username, click on edit and scroll down to new password, click on set new password and fill in your password here, and don't forget to click on update profile. And this is how to create a WordPress website on a subdomain in Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.